What's up, Peachy Babies? Today, we're gonna be mixing too many ingredients into slime. Toothpaste. When I saw this comment, I knew that this would be a really sticky slime. So I have this clear bowl of slime here, and I'm just gonna drizzle all the toothpaste. Ooh, I like the minty color. It matches my shirt a little bit. This is gonna be the freshest slime we've ever made here at Peachy Babies. It already smells so minty, you guys. I can't leave any out. We have to squeeze every bit of toothpaste possible. I even have some activator because I know this is gonna be a really sticky slime. That's my prediction. I'm gonna dip my hands in some activator. Let's get messy. Whoa, this feels super weird. It's so like foamy. I'm gonna get it out of the bowl. Wow, the texture just feels like so smooth on my hands. I think my prediction was right, you guys. It's getting really sticky, but the color is so beautiful. I love this like light blue sky color. It's starting to feel like a liquid, like just like glue. It's deactivating our slime. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try to activate this because I definitely added too much toothpaste. So let's see if I add some activator. Yeah, it's like spreading out. It's completely turning into glue. Oh my God. No activator will fix this slime, you guys. It's just complete liquid at this point. I'm not gonna lie though, the sensation on my hands, like it's starting to burn a little bit. Don't like how it feels. Too much toothpaste and slime definitely doesn't work. It's literally liquid. Foam beads. I have this beautiful slime. I think that this one was Christian's deodorant slime. And so I'm just gonna pour a bunch of these foam beads in there. I love foam slime so much. I think it's my favorite texture of slime right now. It literally looks like snow. Yeah, this smells like deodorant. What's up with all these like fresh, clean smells today? It's a weird theme. I'm gonna pour this on the table and add some more. Come here, foam beads, don't go away. All right, let's add some more. You can never have too much foam beads, right? It's like the coolest texture. Wow, look at all the foam beads. This has thousands of foam beads inside of this slime. You know what I really wanna do? I wanna make like a giant foam slime because it's literally my favorite texture. You know what? If this video gets 8,000 likes, I'll make a giant foam slime, like the size of me. Make sure to like this video. Also, you guys always have my back, so there's a slime house coming your way. I think we should add more. Snowing foam. I'm going to wrap it so that not too many fall out. It's like a little foam wrap. All right, guys, I already added a ton of foam beads, and this slime is basically all foam. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. I love this slime so much. It's full of beads, and I think we should give it a name. I'm gonna name it Floamy. You can't go wrong with too much foam. Let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna be mixing too many of our graveyard slimes together. What's weird about these graveyard slimes is that each one of them is like super weird in its own way. Some are very underactivated and you never know what you're gonna get. I have all kinds of slimes in here. We even got some Orbeez. We got some really underactivated Bingzu. The most activated slime in history is inside of this bowl. Yeah, one of you guys left this comment telling me to mix all of our graveyard slimes and it honestly got me really excited, but I just know this is gonna be our messiest slime yet. It's definitely really sticky. It has all kinds of textures in there, but you guys already know our graveyard slimes are always a mess. So this is just a huge mess with all of our messes mixed together. It's terrible. It's really hard to stretch. And it's turning into this weird purple color. I have no idea how a slime can be overactivated and so sticky at the same time. I've never experienced this. Guys, I don't even want to take it out of the bowl. It's the most sticky slime ever, but it's like so overactivated too. It's time to move on to the next one. Foundation. You know I love to ruin makeup. When you left this comment, I was so happy. I just got a bunch of foundation and I'm gonna just rip this thing off and throw the whole thing in. Ooh, there we go. Ruining makeup is one of my favorite hobbies. At this point, I've done eyeshadow, I've done lipstick. I don't know what else makeup-wise I could add into slime, but if you guys have any ideas, please leave them in the comments. I would love to do them. All right, let's just pour the whole thing on the table and add the rest of it. Wow, guys, this looks so satisfying as it's starting to like blend in with the slime. This is so much foundation. All right, guys, that's about 5 bottles of foundation and some clear slime. Let's get our hands messy and mix this all together. Whoa, it feels so strange. I think it's starting to deactivate the slime a little bit, but oh my God, look at my hands. It's kind of my shade. Actually, it's definitely not my shade. It's kind of making me uncomfortable because it looks like skin. It's really strange. But it also looks kind of like spaghetti. I wonder if I could use this to put foundation all over my skin. It probably works. Wow, it works. It's like a beauty sponge thing. That's cool. Slime and makeup makes for a nice little beauty sponge. Yeah, but I honestly hate this slime. It's really strange. It smells nice. It smells like lipstick, but it's just really weird. I don't think I like it. You can't tell me this doesn't look like a brain. It's a slime brain. Foundation and slime is really strange. Let's move on to the next one. You guys asked me to melt some crayons and add them into slime, so let's do that. All right, guys, we melted all the crayons and I'm gonna add it to this clear slime. It's really hot, so I have to be really careful. So from what I see, it's still just like hard, but you can tell that from the sides, it's starting to harden. Ooh, yeah, and it's kind of like wax. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip the slime over this wax and maybe that'll help cool it. I don't wanna burn myself. You guys are crazy for this comment, wanting me to add melted crayons into slime. Just gotta be careful. All right, so now I'm gonna mix it all together because I think that the crayons have cooled down a bit. So this is a mix of about 80 different crayons, all the colors of the rainbow. Just looks like kind of like a brownie. And look at this part right here. It's like kind of flaky and it totally looks like little brownie brittles. Honestly, if you mix a bunch of melted crayons into slime, it just turns into wax. But I do think this looks really pretty because you see like all the little particles kind of spreading out, and it looks like I just cut up a bunch of dark chocolate and poured it on my slime. I really like this slime. I think that it kind of reminds me of Oreos a little bit, so I'm gonna name it Oreo Clusters. So last time you guys commented that I mix all of the slimes together, and of course I gotta keep you guys happy, so let's mix them all together and see what happens. And of course the toothpaste one is dead. Wow guys, we have so many textures in here, so many ingredients. At this point, it's just one giant slime that makes no sense. You can see the skin through this one, all the crayon chunks. That's such a weird color. As I'm mixing all of these slimes, it's honestly just getting really rippy, feels really strange. I think it's like our most chaotic slime we've ever made. All right, let's do a slime bubble. You guys, I couldn't make a slime bubble, but you know what? We made a big taco. It's more like a burrito. Today, we mixed too many ingredients into our slime, and it was honestly so fun. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.